Hello children, welcome to Wondercom. In this video, I will show you a nice and useful science art activity on different seeds. Various types of seeds I will show you. This activity has been done by my daughter and is appreciated by her teacher. For that reason, I wanted to share this activity with you. So, let us start. We have different varieties of seeds around us, isn't it? And this depends on their origin and the type of fruits from which they are obtained. So this project, in this project you will find two types of collaging work of two different types of seeds. In our first work, she took seeds of different leguminous plants, which are basically the pulses and are readily available in the kitchen. She has taken the seeds of green peas, cowpeas, chickpeas, green grams, etc. Besides, she used white gum to stick the seeds into a white paper, and also she used different color sketch pen to draw the lines. So in these seeds she has made a flowering or a flowering twig. You can see here how she has arranged nicely. Moreover, she has made very simple flowers without wasting much of her time. Here she used red cowpea and chickpeas. Here peas she has used. Using cowpeas she also made nice leaves. This is the final flowering twigs that has made out of this leguminous seeds. She has made the leveling of the seeds that she has used in this artwork. Let us go to the second artwork where the seeds of different fleshy and juicy fruits have been considered, like orange, papaya and wood apple. And besides, as usual, white gum and papers along with sketch pens are needed. The main objective of this artwork is to utilize the waste seeds which we are just used to throw it, and she has used these waste seeds in her artwork for making a very dangerous and recently showing its power all over the world, that is your coronavirus. And let's have a look of that. This artwork is very simple and it won't take much time to do. You need only little idea to arrange the seeds properly. These seeds are available with us, so she only dried and used. You can also use any other seeds like pumpkins, that of bitter gourds or rice gourds, etc. as per their availability to you. Let's know why she did two types of art from two different types of seeds. The first varieties of seeds are edible and important, so she made flowers out of it that symbolizes the positivity. And the second varieties of seeds are waste, so she decided to make such an art that one should either avoid or get away from that. Therefore, she designed this coronavirus. Isn't it a wonderful idea? You can also do many more such type of art related project. So good luck and thank you for watching this.